Alright, he's putting Gorilla Glue where the crack is at. Because that's where the old two pieces broke at. We'll heat this up a little bit and then stick the new ones on. You cannot have any, Rhodey. No. I had an old paintbrush you could have used.
I'm smeared with this right here.
Just smear it with your finger and then hope it comes off.
No, I got a water right here.
You can't help. Get back before you
Get back where you get stuck down. You get stuck and they'll leave you there.
It's gonna be like a mouse glue trap. You'll be stuck like Chuck. Alright.
Our stick now. Our stick now. Alright. Now.
You gotta plug the thing back in. I unplugged it for safety. Peel the paper off. Peel paper. Some real good paper though. We've got pieces sticking. Ain't no telling how old these things are.
As old as the one that's on the floor.
Exactly. And I don't know when this floor was put in.
And we remodeled it and stepping down and moving in.
Well, that was in the 2000s.
Sometime along there.
Peel the next one off.
Somewhere about that length of time.
Yeah.
Thing's hot on the end.
Yeah, I did that too. I accidentally touched it. And I was like, oh!
Yeah, it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Keep going.
Might want to heat it up and maybe it'll peel off better because it is not peeling good. Oh, that's my fingers. Alright, if I can get it started. Alright, pull back. Sticking to my fingers. Rhodey, you're gonna burn your foot. You need to move it, buddy. Nosy. Peel a little bit at a time. It's all sticking to my fingers.
And it sticks to my fingers.
Yeah, my fingertips have got nothing but paper on it. Oh my gosh. Let me show the pain in the butt this is. Look at that. Pain. Pain in the butt.
Been here a while.
Yeah. Like I said, early 2000s. Phone to set up right. There you go.
Close enough.
I can get that one last. There you go. My fingers are all sticky. Ooh, good giggly good. I'm gonna have to get me a tripod for my camera, so I can just set it up and do projects. It's kind of hard to hold and do stuff at the same time. You just got to be a good one-handed handyman if you go on video. Now we need to set something heavy on them so we don't accidentally. No, you can't tell those are new compared to the one next to it.
They all come out of the same box, dear.
I know, I'm just saying, you can tell which ones are the two new ones. Look how shiny and new.
No,
Compared.
I can't tell.
Yeah. You can.
A little bit brighter.
They're a little more shiny, have a little more green color. All right, now we got sticky fingers. Rhodey? Oh, have mercy, child.
Gotta be in the middle of it.
I know. All right, there it is. See, from up here you can't really tell too much, but when you're up close, you can kind of tell. But from far off, nah.